In this day and age, it is highly likely that you have seen an automobile in your lifetime, and you know for a fact that automobiles run on engines powered by fuel. It is often intriguing to think about all the alternative fuels that can allow a car to function. Is it true that a car can run on table salt? But how does it function in practice? This is how it's done in a scientific manner. Take our advice with a grain of salt. And with that said, please sit back, indulge, and enjoy the video. Cooking salt, also known as sodium chloride, is an ionic compound made up of sodium plus ions and chloride ions. Ionic chemicals can be employed as an electrolyte since they dissolve in water. Electrolyte, doesn't it seem familiar? That's right, it's all about electrolysis. We employ magnesium and carbon as electrodes in our demonstration. Each of these electrodes has a conventional electrode potential. We can calculate the voltage of the cell and determine the reaction's feasibility by computing the cell potential. The cell potential is the measure of the potential difference between two half cells in an electrochemical cell. This determines whether the voltage produced by the salt battery is high enough to operate the motor. Magnesium atoms in a magnesium electrode, the cathode, will be oxidized to generate magnesium 2+ ions with 2 electrons each. The ions will be released into the salt solution, while the electrons will be transported through the wires that connect the motor to the electrodes. The movement of electrons through the motor, which generates a current, is what enables the car to move in the first place. Selective discharge of cations occurs as electrons reach the carbon electrode, the anode. Magnesium 2+ ions will be discharged and form back into magnesium metal as a result of selective discharge. As a result, what appears to be a salt-powered car is really just a bulkier version of today's electric cars. It just goes to show that ancient prehistoric dead matter isn't the only viable source of energy for humans to power the intricate metallic machineries.